Wow, you found your way to the Female Way podcast. My name is Humita Premila, and I'm so honored that you're here. Let's have a great time together. And yes, it's time again. It's time again for another chat. And this one, it's one very close to my heart. I started to host my first one in 2013, and women were joining from all over the world. New Zealand and Australia and South America and Scandinavia. And between 30 and 50 women just popped on my screen every week. And the conversations were from another level. We were sharing life. We were sharing all the things we achieved and our gratitude. We were celebrating the hell out of each other. We were visiting each other's for holidays. We all had free spots to go everywhere because we knew a woman in every country. We stay in each other's houses. We would dance through life like sisters. It was magnificent. For about 6-7 years, I was hosting these women's circles online on Zoom. 2013. Can you imagine? That was a moment no one was using Zoom, and we were on it. It was incredible. Hey, how are you? Is this the first time you're here? Then a warm welcome. Are you one of my frequent listeners? Ooh, I welcome you even more. You're still with me. Thank you. The Female Way podcast. It's for us women. You know what? I create safe spaces for you to thrive, to get inspired, to move freely, to maybe you learn something, maybe you grow, maybe you can let go of something. Maybe you feel good after. Not maybe. I know you will feel good after. So today I'm going to share with you the 3 reasons why everyone should join a women's circle. Because I'm going to tell you that. In the end of the call, you know why and what is the power of a women's circle. What is the magic? Why should I join? What is it? Is there a program? Is there no program? What do we do? Who's coming? Because these are all the questions our mind likes to know. Yet, I often say, women's circle is something you should experience. It's hard to explain. Every time is different. Every time it's a complete different approach and structure and different women, maybe even different location. Yet, there are a few things that remain. These are the unshakables, the untouchables, the undeniables. They're so powerful. It surprises me still after 12 years. Last Saturday, we had a women's circle in Hotel Jakarta, Amsterdam. An incredible, beautiful, stunning 4-star hotel. Sustainable, green. They have a lush garden in the middle of the hotel. The hotel actually is made of sustainable bamboo woods. It is a vibe. And that was our location. Because something I like to do, I love to create safe spaces for you women to thrive and to move. And that's what I do. That's why the art of being a woman is such a success. The first session, women went through the roof. Because it was so powerful. They felt, maybe for the first time, their body, their being, their heart was open, and they were tapping into their field of possibilities. They're like, hey, finally, I know what to do. I know where to go to. I know all of that. And now it was live, same. Only in 2 hours, women felt seen, acknowledged, celebrated, alive and kicking and Their hearts cracked open, their questions got answered. They dropped into their body. They felt safe to grow, to thrive, to move, to let go of the stuckness, all in only 120 minutes. It was insane. And at the same time, it wasn't. Because that's the power of a women's circle. And okay, it's true. I mean, there are many, many women's circles out there. Well, not enough. And they're all different. But Women's Circle Amsterdam is back. We're taking the energy of 2013, how we started with the international vibes, with the safety net, the seeing each other, supporting each other, loving each other, but also to make our lives as women easier. It gives you the boost to thrive in real life. It gives you the boost to be the most amazing mommy, but also to attract that partner that you're longing for. I have a lot of women in my circle coming and longing to meet their soulmates. Well, in the art of being a woman, there is something magical. They meet their soulmate. They meet a partner. They meet several beautiful beloveds. Things are moving. Why? Okay, let me tell you the 3 reasons why everyone should join the Women's Circle. Let me start with the last one, and that was actually the bonus one. It is for you to experience circle magic. I told the women last Saturday, be careful what you ask for. Be careful when you put your intention, because it's going to happen. That's the field we're creating. And I'm so excited. And one woman already shared, it happened at the end of the circle. Her intention, she said loud with us in the beginning. In the end of the circle, she shared again. And she said, I know now. It came to me. And she explained the moment it happened. She was dealing with it for a long time. Can you imagine the circle it happened? It cracks open your heart. One of the reasons to come to a circle, it cracks open your heart even more in ways you did not even know was possible. Every time I hold a circle, it cracks open my heart. I'm like, wow. And that energy, that love, that trust, that certainty, oh, it's so welcome for us as women. Because gosh, it's not always easy to be us. The Women's Circle is to recharge your feminine battery. And that's another reason. We celebrate your feminine. It's to recharge your battery. You recharge your feminine battery. You can feel it when you walk out. You feel complete and satisfied and excited and turned on. And you're like, woo, let's live this life. Every one of them attending. I've seen it week after week after week. And, okay, let me tell you a little secret here. The more you open, the more you let go of expectations, the more you open your heart and the more you're present, the more benefits you have. Of course, if you sit there and you're like, I don't want to be here, and you have all these thoughts and let your inner critical, like running the show, of course, nothing will happen. You need a little effort there. You need a little, if you open your heart, you're fully present, and you're there, you're dropping expectations, you wander around, you activate a sense of curiosity, you open your body and you're smiling in a way you never smiled. And you just go along with the ride. I tell you, it can be one of the most loving, and special and extraordinary experiences of your life. When I was hosting those circles in 2013, every week I was touched to the bones. I was surprised. I was moved. I was like, what is happening here? It was answering my questions. It brought abundance in my life. It brought the love of my life in my life. I mean, I always meet the most incredible men. So that's the energy I'm bringing in. I mean, my relationship with men only get better. It's like hitting the lottery, but that was already back in the days and I'm still hitting the lottery. But lottery next level, next level, next level. Okay. So, first one, experience circle magic. Second, crack open your heart. 2, recharge your feminine battery, because we celebrate the feminine. The fourth one, I'm giving you 3 more. Connection, communication, and care. The connection you feel with yourself and with the women, it's from another level. The communication we're having with each other, we go deep, it's truth. And there's no drama, there's no victimhood, there's none of that. The women who come to a circle pass that level. This is real, this is true, this is for women who want to live their best life every single day. Because that's what we do. We live our best life every single day. Because we choose. We choose. We choose to live our best life. And we do. We take action for that. We move in that way. We're not, circling around in our misery because we know that's also part of life. And you can either stay in it or boom, boom, boom. And we're doing it. Just this morning, I woke up with a little heavy feeling. It was funny. I mean, it's also the time of the year and there were so many things going on. I had so much to be grateful for. It's the birthday of my little princess. And then all of a sudden, there was a dark wave hitting me just while I was doing all these beautiful things. I danced the hell out of my body. I put the most amazing song on and I danced. I dropped in my body. I felt, and I just went back to that magical space inside of me. And that's what we are creating in a women's circle. Women's circle, it's like a womb we're creating. A universal earthy womb. And we can all jump in. And whether we're with 7, with 40, with 20, the magic is always alive. So it can be different location, different woman, different time, different day, morning, evening. But those reasons, the 3 reasons why everyone should join a women's circle is always the same. It so activates your heart. Celebration. Woohoo. I can feel it even when I say bang, 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 bang. We celebrate. We see each other. There are no hidden agendas. There is nothing in between of darkness or nastiness or jealousy. It doesn't even exist in a women's circle. We leave that outside of the door. There is connection, there's communication, there is care. It's an experience. It's the experience of magic. And if you walk in a room like that, of course you meet that person because your energy, your vibration is from another level. It attracts that person you've been waiting for, you've been longing for. That's just a proven thing. There's nothing woo-woo about that. You attract who you are. How do I know that? 100% sure? Because I can see that in my own relationships. Every man I've been with, and I tell you, these were true kings, were a reflection of where I was in life. How I was living, how I was behaving, how I was moving, my job, the way I was dressing. It was incredibly cool. Women's circles are magic. So, Women's Circle Amsterdam is back. August 16th, we're back in Hotel Jakarta, a morning session at 10 a.m. The end of August, we're going to be in a new location, the July, in Amsterdam. As well, one of my favorite locations. It's so beautiful. It's stunning. It's gorgeous. And something came in between, and then I just stopped talking. Then a thought comes in. I'm like, I have an appointment in the afternoon, and I forgot about it. Sorry. The end of August, we're going to be in the July. It's a new location. It's going to be an evening session. No, I don't know, actually. Either by heart, Tuesday morning or Wednesday evening. But keep an eye on here or go to thefemaleway.nl/Women's Circle. You can already register for August 16. Yeah. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being you. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for doing the work. I know it's not always easy, but we're doing it. I love you. Ciao, ciao. Thank you for making it all the way through the end. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being in my life. Please, I would be so grateful if you give it a 5-star so other women can also find this podcast. We're in it together. Together we change the world. If you want to know a little bit more, go to www.humita.nl. Let's dance in this life together. Sending you love. Till we meet again.